The United States is tightening its grip, and Indian techies are watching nervously. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Yatri, and for decades, the H-1B visa has been a lifeline for skilled professionals from India, right? But now everything is changing. The Trump administration has announced a new and stricter rule. All H-1B visa applicants and their entire families, they must make their social media profiles public. Yes, every post, every photo, every tweet should now be scrutinized. The US State Department says that this is part of a national security review. They want to make sure that no one entering the country plans to harm Americans or the US interests. And it's not just the applicants here. Spouses and children, everybody traveling with them will face extra checks too. This is huge because 71% of all H-1B visas go to Indians, right? Be it techies, engineers, physicians, IT professionals. All could face longer delays, more questions, and even visa denials. But you know why now? Well, the US says that it wanted to check background more thoroughly now. They are reviewing resumes and LinkedIn profiles, focusing on people that are working in misinformation, disinformation, content moderation, fact checking, online safety. Basically, the US government wants to know if applicant has ever been involved in anything that could pose a threat or perhaps a conflict with the US interests. Earlier this year too, controversy erupted over H-1B visas with claims that Indian applicants, they were taking away American jobs. Even though Indian annual cap is 85,000 visas, Chennai alone received about 220,000 approvals, more than 2.5 times the limit, and this is according to the critics. And wait, that's not all here. Trump administration is also tightening green cards, US citizenship and asylum applications. Applications from 19 countries of concerns are now on hold, including Afghanistan, Iran, Venezuela, Somalia, Sudan, and others. Now, this has created uncertainty for thousands of Indian families who are now really unsure when or if their immigration process will move forward or not. Now, for the Indian tech workers, the stakes could not be higher. These new rules could mean longer waiting time for them. They could mean extra scrutiny. They could mean unpredictable visa outcomes. It's a moment of tension. It's a moment where careers, families, dreams, they are hanging in the balance. And one thing is very clear. This is the toughest shake-up for the Indian H-1B workers in years. The question now is very simple. Will India's skilled professionals adapt or survive the storm? Or will the new rules change the game of global talent forever? Now stay tuned with me, Dhriti Yatri, because this story is still unfolding and it will affect thousands of Indian families and tech workers around the globe.